exercises yesterday. I'm doing these exercises because tomorrow on Friday we have a quiz in this lesson. You should, to be prepared for the quiz, you should study all the definitions. You should know how to draw special lines. You should know how to draw triangles, of course. Yesterday we have done in this, yes.
Is it gonna be a multiple choice?
There are multiple choice, there are true false questions, and there are 2 questions that you should solve and upload the solution on the Google form, okay?
Yes.
Yesterday we solved this question. I wanted to make sure that you know all the definitions in this question. We started solving question number 2. I'm starting again now with question number 2, since this question is a very, very important question. Quickly, I will start again. So we should specify the special features in the following triangles. When I talk about the special features, I mean either I have in a triangle a right angle, I should name this angle, or if I have equal angles, I should name these angles. If I have equal sides, I should name these equal sides. This is what we mean by special features. Please don't start raising your hands. Directly, I will start. Number one will do it. Adam Hajaji. Yes, Adam. Aya, do you have a question?
No.
Okay, please don't raise your hand to answer. I will pick all of you. I will try to pick most of you. So Adam Hajaji, we have a triangle ABC is right at A. Are you with me, Adam?
Yes.
When we read, Adam, the word right, directly I should ask myself, what does a right triangle have?
90 degree.
It has a right angle, right?
Yes.
At which vertex is this right angle at?
A.
So the angle at vertex A is equal to 90 degrees. From the name of the triangle, Adam, can you name the angle of vertex A?
AB.
Adam, again, when I name an angle at a vertex, the vertex should be in the middle. So A should be in the middle. Yes, again, Adam, name the angle at vertex A, please.
BAC.
Yes, BAC should be equal to what?
90 degree.
So angle BAC, here as you can see, above the vertex A, I put an X. It's very important to put an XY to say that at vertex A, we have the right angle. And now I write the name of the right angle. BAC is equal to 90 degrees. Thank you, Adam. Now the second one, I want to ask the second one. Yes, please, Reem Safiuddin. Can you answer, Reem?
Yes.
Triangle ECD is equilateral. When we read the word equilateral, what does an equilateral triangle have? Yes,
Equal
Reem?
sides.
What? How many sides equal?
3.
3 equal sides and?
3 equal angles.
Okay, let us start with the sides, Reem. We know to name a side, we only need 2 vertices, right, Reem?
Yes.
This is the name of the triangle, ECD. Let us start naming the sides. Start with vertex E. The first side is E.
EC.
The second side is E.
ED.
The third side is
CD.
CD. So in this way, we name sides EC, ED, and CD.
ED.
Yes, these 3 sides are equal. So we write EC is equal to ED is equal to CD. Thank you, Reem. Now I want to ask Hassan Sroor. Yes, Hassan Sroor.
Yes.
Also, this equilateral triangle has 3 equal angles, right?
Yes.
At each vertex, we have an angle. Please name the angle at vertex E, Hassan.
EC.
Hassan, we will name the angle at vertex E.
Miss CED.
Yes, CED. Name the angle at vertex C.
ECD.
The angle at vertex D.
CDE.
So these three angles are equal, right, Hassan?
Yes.
Each angle measures how much?
60.
Yes, so I write the three angles are equal and each angle measures 60 degrees. This is how we write the special features of an equilateral triangle. Now triangle number 3. Yes, Dalal, triangle number 3. Dalal? Sari?
Yes, miss.
In number 3, we have
Yes.
a triangle. Triangle EFG is right at G. What does a right triangle have?
Right angle.
A right angle
I
at
mean,
which vertex?
G.
So above G, we put an X. This is the vertex in which we have a right angle. Can you please name the angle of vertex G, Sari?
FGE.
Yes, we can say,
Or,
Sari, FGE or EGF, right?
yeah.
This angle measures how much, Sari?
90.
Yes, so EGF is equal to 90 degrees. Thank you, Sari. Now I want to ask Larissa. Yes, Larissa.
Yes, miss.
In number 4, Larissa, we have a triangle KLM, isosceles of vertex K. When we read the word isosceles, I ask myself, see, when I'm reading a special word, I directly ask myself, what does this an isosceles triangle have, Larissa? What does an isosceles triangle have?
2 equal sides.
Not equilateral, isosceles.
Isosceles, miss. It has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles.
Thank you. So stay with me, Larissa. It has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. Who's the special vertex here in this triangle KLM? It is of vertex
K.
So I go to the name of the triangle. Above K, I put an X. Why? Because we know that in an isosceles triangle, the equal sides will be issued from where? From the special?
From the special
vertex, which
vertex.
is what? Which is K. So
K.
to name the 2 equal sides, Larissa, in an isosceles triangle, we start with K. Start naming the first side. K.
KL.
This is the first side. Also, the second side starts from K.
KM.
So the equal sides, see, the first side is KL. I always start to name the equal sides from the special vertex. So KL and KM. I write KL is equal to KM. Thank you, Larissa. Now I want to ask, yes, who's this?
Miss Dalal.
Yes, Dalal. You want to answer now?
Yes, I
had that Okay.
connection.
Yes, we said, Dalal, that in an isosceles triangle, we have 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. Larissa named the equal sides. KL is equal to KM. Now we should name the equal angles. Who is the special vertex, Dalal, here?
K.
So put it aside. Which vertices will we have if we put K aside? Name the vertices you still have.
LM.
L and M. So the 2 equal angles are an angle at L and an angle at M. Name, please, the angle at vertex L.
The vertex.
Name the angle at vertex L, please. L should be in the middle.
Then MLK.
MLK or KLM, right? Now,
Yes.
name the angle at vertex M.
KML.
Right, these two angles will be equal to each others. Now, thank you, Dalal. In number 5, we have a triangle MNP equilateral. I want to ask Hala Safiuddin. Yes, Hala. Hala?
Yes.
Please, triangle MNP is equilateral. What does an equilateral triangle have?
3 equal sides
And
and 3 equal angles.
let's name the 3 equal sides. Start.
MN,
Is equal to?
MP,
Is equal to?
NP.
Right, so MN is equal to MP is equal to MP. Thank you. Now I want to ask Adnan Araouni. Yes, Adnan.
Yes, miss.
We should name the 3 equal angles. On each vertex, you have an angle. So start naming the angle at vertex M.
NMP.
At vertex N.
Yes, if the vertex N, it's MNP.
Yes, at vertex P.
MPN.
So these 3 angles are equal and each angle measures 60 degrees. Now we have, thank you Adnan. Now I want to ask Lin Khalifi. Yes, Lin.
Yes.
In number 6, triangle PRQ is isosceles of vertex Q. What does an isosceles triangle have?
2 equal sides and 2 equal angles.
Yes, 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. So if the special vertex is Q, above Q, we put an X as usual. We know that the 2 equal sides are issued from the special vertex Q. Please, Lean, name the 2 equal sides. Start from Q.
QR and QP.
Thank you, Lean. So QR is the first side and QP is the second side. So QR is equal to QP. Now I want to ask Adam Hayek. Yes, Adam. Adam?
Yes, miss.
Also, an isosceles triangle have 2 equal angles. If the special
Yes.
vertex is Q, we put it aside. I still have P and R. An angle at vertex P and an angle at vertex R, they are equal to each others. Please name the angle at vertex P. Yes, Adam, name the angle at vertex P.
RPQ,
Name the angle at vertex R.
PRQ.
Thank you. These 2 angles are equal to each others. Now in number
Yes.
7, thank you, Adam. I want to ask in number 7, Razan. Yes, Razan.
Yes, miss.
Triangle RST is right isosceles of vertex S. What does a right isosceles triangle have?
1 right angle, 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles.
Right. The right angle is at which vertex?
S.
S. So name the angle at vertex S.
TSR.
Is equal to what?
To the right angle.
Which is equal to how much? 90
90.
degrees. Thank you, Razan. Now I want to ask Adam Araouni. Yes, Adam.
Yes.
Also, it is isosceles, so it has 2 equal sides. They are issued from S. Name the 2 equal sides, please.
RST.
No, we
And
are
TS.
Adam, we are naming sides. When we name sides, we need 2 vertices. You should start from the special vertex S. So name the first side. It is S.
ST.
The second side is S.
SR.
So the first side is SR, the second side is ST, and these 2 sides are equal. Thank you, Adam. Yes, Zahra, Dia.
Yes.
Also, it has two equal angles. In an isosceles triangle, if I wanted to name the equal angles, I put the special vertex aside. Who's the special vertex?
S.
Put it aside. You are left with which vertices?
R and T.
So name the angle at vertex R.
TRF.
Name the angle at vertex T.
RTS.
They are what? They are equal, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Zahra. Now I want to ask Laris Shihab. Yes, Laris.
Yes, miss.
Also in number 8, you have a right isosceles triangle of vertex X. It's X, Y, Z. What does a right isosceles triangle have?
A right angle, two equal sides and two equal angles.
Who's the special vertex?
X.
So at X, I put an X and I name the right angle at X. Please name the right angle at X.
XY.
Laris, we should name the right angle at X. An angle, name an angle of vertex X. Laris, when you name an angle, you should use the three vertices and X should be in the middle. So what is the angle of vertex X?
YXZ.
It is equal to what if it's right?
ZXY.
No. Angle YXZ. If it is a right angle, it should measure how much?
90 degrees.
Okay, so the measure of YXZ is 90 degrees. Thank you, Laris. Now I want to ask Michael. Yes, Michael.
Yes, miss.
It also has two equal sides issued from X. Name these two equal sides, please.
XY and XZ.
So XY is the first side and XZ is the second side. These are the two equal sides. Thank you, Michael. Now I want to ask Fatima. Yes, Fatima. Fatima. I want to ask Leia.
مس ليا غريب ولا ليا دايخ؟
ليا غريب.
Yes, miss.
Leia غريب. It also has two equal angles. When we name the equal angles, as we said in an isosceles triangle, we put the special vertex X aside. So the equal angles are at vertex Y and at vertex Z. Please name the angle of vertex Y.
YZ.
Leia, do you hear?
Yes.
I want to name the angle at vertex Y. So I should use the three vertices. Whenever we name an angle, we use the three vertices and Y should be in the middle. So what is the angle at vertex Y? Use the three vertices and Y in the middle. So what is the angle at vertex Y?
YX. مس عم بقول
Okay, Lamar Safiuddin.
Yes.
Please, Lamar, name the angle at vertex Y.
X.
XYZ.
And the angle at vertex Z?
YX.
Yes. So these two angles are equal to each other. Thank you. Now we move to a new question. How to find the measure of the missing angle in a triangle? I want to ask Carlo. Yes, Carlo. Carlo? Carlo, do you hear me? Carlo? Okay, Carlo cannot, maybe it's an internet issue, I don't know.
Miss,
Carlo?
no, Miss Ali Basma, can I?
Ali Basma, you can, yesterday I asked you, but I don't know, there might be a connection error or
Miss,
something.
My internet
Yes.
was so bad. I
Okay,
can't
Ali
hear your
Basma.
voice.
Okay, Ali Basma, no problem. You can answer Ali Basma. So I want to ask you, Ali, here we should find the measure of the missing angle or angles. I gave you triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle such that angle ABC is missing, angle ACB is missing, angle CAB is missing. As you can see, Ali, here, the three angles are missing. I don't know any measure of any angle, but I read a very important word, equilateral. So what do I ask myself, Ali, when I read the word equilateral? What should I ask myself?
An equilateral triangle, the three sides measure 60 degrees.
The three angles, you mean?
Angles.
So each angle in an equilateral triangle measures 60 degrees. So what will be the measure of angle ABC?
60 degrees.
Angle ACB?
60 degrees.
Angle CAB?
Also 60 degrees.
So we say, since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, then the three angles are equal, as Ali said, and each angle measures 60 degrees. So I write the measure of the first angle is 60 degrees, the measure of the second angle is 60, the measure of the third angle is 60. Thank you, Ali. Now I want to ask Huda. Yes, Huda.
Yes, Miss.
Triangle EFG is a right triangle at E, such that angle EFG is equal to 70 degrees, angle GEF is missing, and angle EGF is missing. How many missing angles do you have here, Huda?
Two missing angles.
Two missing angles. Let us see if we have read any special word. Did we read any special word while reading the sentence?
Yes, EFG is a right triangle at E.
So we
it has
read, yes. So we read the word right, which is important word. I ask myself, Huda, what do I ask myself?
GF is
No,
should be
Huda,
equal.
Huda, step by step. ما تسرعي, step by step. When I read the word right, I ask myself, what does a right triangle have, Huda? What do we have in a right triangle?
Angle.
A right angle.
Angle.
At which vertex?
E.
So we go to the name of the triangle. On vertex E, we say, since the special vertex is E, so the right angle should be at vertex E. Please, Huda, can you name the angle at vertex E?
Yes, it GEF.
So angle GEF should be equal to how much?
90 degrees.
So we write, since triangle EFG is right at E, then angle GEF is equal to 90 degrees. So now I know EFG is 70, GEF is 90. I still have one missing angle. How can you find this missing angle, Huda?
First, we put the sum of angles in a triangle.
Right, so
like-
we start as Huda said from the sum of angles in a triangle. How can we get the name of the angles? We have them here in the question. This is the first angle, this is the second angle, this is the third angle. So these three angles, we add them and they are equal, as Huda said, to 180 degrees sum of angles in a triangle. Now what do we do, Huda, here?
This we replace them like EFG is we put it 70, GEF we put it 90, and we keep EGF because
right. So here, as Huda said, we replace the given angles and we keep the missing angle, we keep its name. Now what do we do for 70 and 90?
we add them.
So 70 plus 90 is?
160.
So now we can get angle EGF. What will be angle EGF, Huda?
At 20 degrees, you put EGF 180 minus 160, which
So
is
yes, thank you. So you see these steps I have written here. You should write the same steps if you are asked in the quiz about a missing angle. You should not give directly the number. If you, for example, if this question in the exam graded 2 marks, only the answer will give you a quarter. The steps are very important to follow and write, okay? Okay, guys?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now I want to ask Ali Nasruddin. Yes, Ali Nasruddin.
Yes.
Ali?
Yes.
Ali, raise your voice, please. Ali, do you hear me? I can't hear you clearly. Hassan,
Yes.
I can't hear you, Ali. Your voice is very low.
So now can you hear me well?
Okay. Yes, Ali. Triangle MNP is a scalene triangle. What do we mean by the word scalene?
Scalene triangle.
It is a normal triangle. So angle MNP is 30 degrees, angle PMN is 70 degrees, and angle MPN is missing. How many missing angles do you have here, Ali?
1.
1. How can you find this missing angle? You should start from where?
We should start from
Which sentence? Some? Yes, Ali. Maya, can you
the sum.
answer? Ali, we should start from the sum of angles in a triangle. Maya, can you answer? Because I can't hear Ali clearly. His voice is very low. Maya?
Yes, miss.
So here we have a scalene triangle. We have 3 angles. 1 angle is missing. When we have a scalene triangle with 1 missing angle, we start from the sum of angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, which angles do we add? Say the name of the angles. They are written in front of you, yes?
MNP
Yes?
PMN plus MPN
Is
equals
it,
180 degrees.
yes, so we add the angles. Please, who's talking, mute yourself. Who's talking, mute yourself. Now, Maya, after writing this sentence, what should we do?
We move on to the second line and we write the given ones, the given angles.
We replace, right?
Yes.
MNP, we replace it by how much?
30 degrees.
And PMN?
By 70 degrees. And
MPN, we leave it as it is. So in this step, we replace. Now we add what?
Now we move on to the second line and we add 30 degrees plus 70 degrees.
Yes, it's 100. Now, who's the missing angle here? What's the name of the missing angle?
MPN.
So MPN, yes,
by
continue.
Minus 180 minus 400.
So what's the measure of MPN?
80 degrees.
Thank you, Maya. It's 80 degrees. Hamad Bawab. Yes, Muhammad Bawab. Hamad Bawab. Zahra Jabir. Zahra Jabir. Aya.
Yes, miss.
Aya, you are answering?
Yes.
Okay. Triangle RST is isosceles of vertex S, such that angle RST is equal to 80 degrees, angle SRT is equal to 50 degrees, angle STR is missing. Here I read a very important word, which is isosceles. Tell me, Aya, if we're talking about angles, What do we have in an isosceles triangle?
2 equal angles.
Okay, if the special vertex is S, then can you name the 2 equal angles, Aya, at vertex R and vertex T? Name the equal angles, please.
SRT
Yes.
equal STR.
So, since triangle RST is isosceles of vertex S, then the special vertex is S. As I said, to name the equal angles in an isosceles triangle, it's very easy. We put the special vertex aside, we name the 2 angles at R and T. As Aya said, these are the 2 equal angles. Yes, Aya? Now, SRT is equal to STR. In the question, Aya, you are given the measure of SRT 50 degrees. Then what will be the measure of STR?
50 degrees.
So angle STR is equal to 50 degrees. If I add 50 plus 50, Aya, is how much?
100.
Plus 80.
180.
So the measure of the 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now, thank you, Aya. Now we have, I want to ask, whom didn't I ask? I want to ask, Zain, who's this?
Lin Shibani.
Lin, I didn't write your name. Yes, Lin Shibani. We have a triangle MPQ isosceles of vertex M. What does an isosceles triangle have, Lin?
3 equal angles, 3 equal sides.
Isosceles, not equilateral.
2 equal angles, 2 equal sides.
So 2 equal angles and 2 equal sides. If the special vertex is M, so at vertex M is the special vertex. Name the 2 equal angles at P and Q, Lin.
P and Q.
The angle at vertex P, name it.
Vertex P, MPQ, MPQ.
At vertex Q.
At vertex Q, MQP.
MQP. These 2 angles are equal to each other. Are we given the measure of angle MPQ or it's missing?
It's missing.
And MQP given or missing?
Missing.
So we start from the sum of angles in a triangle. We replace. We have here 2 angles. Why did I leave the 2 angles? Because they are what, Lin? They are
Equal.
Equal to each other. So if I add 2 equal angles equal to 130 degrees, to get the measure of each angle, we divide 130 by